Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today we're going to declutter and organize this bathroom. So this is the full bath upstairs in the hall. This is where all the kids shower. So it has not been organized since we moved in. We moved in the end of June and I just haven't gotten to it. So drawers are not organized. Under the cupboard isn't organized. My parents are going to be coming soon for Christmas, so I'm just getting things ready. So I thought as I'm cleaning this bathroom, we're going to get some organization done. So come along with me today. So first things first is we're going to take everything out of the drawers, everything out from under here. And then I'll create some systems. And then we will scrub this bathroom. So first, like I said, I'm pulling everything out, throwing away things that can get thrown away. I'm gonna go through each of these bins, see what could be kept, see what needs to be tossed, and get them in individual buckets. So one bucket will be for Callie's stuff, one will be the boys' stuff, and the other one will be for sanitary needs, like sanitary napkins, tampons. You know what I mean. Everything needs a home. That way the kids can put everything away and not have things piled up and create a mess. Then I'm going to bring in some towels that I have in my hall closet into the bathroom. That way they're in there. If they shower and they forget a towel, they're in there. So we have towels, we have hand towels, and we have face cloths. And then I'm gonna keep a big roll of toilet paper in this cupboard as well. In the hall, we have all the toilet paper that comes in a big package from Costco, but I'm gonna make sure that there is a section for toilet paper. That way, if they run out, it's in the bathroom. So as you can see, there's no room for really tossing anything in. This little container is holding 4 bars of soap. So hopefully we'll be able to keep this clean and not so cluttered. Next, I'm going to go through the top drawers. The one on the right is the boys, and the one on the left is Callie's. Shaylee gets ready in my bathroom. Shaylee will use this shower, but she gets ready for the day in my bathroom. All her hair stuff, everything. It was just easier and less fighting. The one drawer is for Callie right now, and the other one is for the boys. So once Callie is gone and married in May, maybe we'll move Shaylee back in, we'll see. If not, the boys have their own drawer in this bathroom. There are so many toothbrushes in this bathroom, I don't understand. So I'm just gonna put them back in this drawer when I'm done. And then after this video, they're gonna come in and show me which toothbrushes are theirs, and I'll toss the rest. So I'm just gonna take everything out, give it a good wipe down. So we're gonna give them a good wipe down, and then I'm going to create some systems. So I shopped my home for these containers. So I have a couple of containers from the dollar store. The blue container, that little aqua blue container, came from a makeup bin that I got from, I wanna say Home Goods, I don't know, but I found things, shopped my home, and we're utilizing it. So I didn't have to go out and buy anything. Now I'm just gonna give the bathroom a good clean. The kids clean this bathroom, but we're doing mommy clean. So we're gonna wipe down the counters, we're gonna wash the mirrors. We're gonna give the cupboards a good wipe down. I even did the baseboards and got those, but I didn't film that for you, so there's no dust. They're all wiped down. Give the toilet a good scrub in. And we're gonna scrub this shower. It wasn't in bad condition. Like, the kids have done a pretty good job. So I'm using some soft scrub on the tub, and then I sprayed it down with Method all-purpose cleaner, and I'm just gonna scrub away. Alright, I gave the bathroom a good sweeping and then a mopping. I'm using a Bona mop, which I'm actually quite loving. I have the microfiber pads for them and the disposable already wet pads, which I like to use in the bathroom. So I could just throw them away and those germs are gone. I just need to add a new bottle of soap, which is in my room, which I got from Black Friday at Bath & Body Works. Paige always needs to be by me. Look at her in her crate, just chilling, doors open. Oh, she knows I'm talking about her. She's always by my side. So now we just gotta clean the aftermath of taking things out of the bathroom and the trash, things going in my bathroom. And there's cups that need to go down in the kitchen. So let's clean the hall from cleaning the bathroom. Well friends, that is all done. Yay! Scrub down, ready for company. Yay. It'll be a little while before they're here, but I got it organized, ready for them. So when they're here, whew, they know where the towels are, the hand towels, the face cloths, the toilet paper, more soap. Yay. If you have any tips for me on how I can make the organization under the cabinets or in the doors better, let me know. But this was quick and it is done. Yay, yay, yay. Well friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it and we will see you soon. Bye.